What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm not going to do the formal before after video. I just wanted to do something a little bit more casual but still transforming a piece of clothing, but also chit-chatting a bit. So this is what we're working with. There are these like checkered shorts. I found these a really long time ago at the thrift store. I have this whole section in my closet of pieces that I need to alter, but I haven't gotten around to yet. So that's what this is. Actually, these were they're a lot worse. I've already fixed them a bit. They had these like horrible belt loops that were probably about 1.5 inches wide right here on each side. And I seam ripped those and took those off last night. That took me quite a while actually. Just because of the way it was sewn. So yeah, we're gonna kind of fix this up while just doing it in an informal tutorial. I don't know, yeah, cool. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're working with. So I think they're super cute. Obviously too long, we have to fix that, but I love the fit in the waist. And then you can see here, I took off the belt loops. So I have to fix this hole, but yeah. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is figure out what the length I want. And I kind of like where it is right here. So I'm just going to mark that with a pin. As you can see, I pinned on the inner seam and then the outer side seam. And I kind of made the one on the inner seam a little bit longer than the one on the outer seam. That's just kind of the look I'm trying to go for. So we're gonna see how that looks. Not yet. Okay, so before I even get to the hemming, I'm just going to fix up these spots. There's 4 in total, and I'm just gonna stitch across and down here as well. So I have stitched up these spots, and I ripped this one. I ripped it when seam ripping. Oops, so I just kind of makeshift fixed it. Okay, so this is where I originally pinned the short of where I wanted it, but if you can see here, if you follow this pin, it goes right into the crotch, and I don't want to re-sew the crotch. So I flipped it inside out and I pinned about 2 inches below the crotch. So next step is to do the hem, and as you can see here, this is a cuffed hem. So I like this kind of cuff, and I would like to replicate it for my hem, but I've never done a cuff hem before, so that is when I have to use my friend YouTube to find a video. Okay, so as I mentioned, I actually have never done a cuffed hem, and I have absolutely no idea how to do it. So last night I spent like a solid 30 minutes looking for that tutorial, and I found one. So this is the video that I used to learn how to do a cuff hem. I found it very helpful. She's very thorough, so if you don't understand what I'm doing, I recommend checking out this video. So one of the reasons why I like to do these projects and make my own clothes is because I feel like I can never find what I'm looking for when I'm shopping for specific things. I get frustrated and I wish I could just make my own. So that's kind of what I started doing. And sometimes I run into problems like sizing and fitting, and I try to just stay calm and figure it out. I try not to get too overwhelmed, but one thing that I try not to let stop me is if I see something that I want to recreate and I don't know how to do it, I just try to figure it out as I go and watch tutorials like this one when I get stuck. So hopefully I don't butcher this hem and it actually looks the way it's supposed to look. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the front of the short. I turned it inside out, and I'm just going to mark and measure on the inside with the red marker. It's kind of hard to see, so hopefully I can see the red. I'm making it a little bit shorter in the front. So I'm just going to keep marking and measuring. I'm supposed to do this 3 times. Okay, so this is the 3rd one. Well, the 4th line I'm drawing, and it should be the 3rd section. I'm going to do this exactly the same, but on the other side. And now we pray the lines match up. Oh, yeah, they kind of do. I can kind of see them. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to take scissors and cut along the bottom. So now I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. So I'm just gonna have a little mid-roll break here. I am starving. I didn't realize that I hadn't eaten yet today. So I made some broccoli, and these are some veggie pot stickers from Costco. They're so good. Okay, now that I'm done eating, back to work. And the first thing I'm going to do is, well, the only thing I have to do is the hem. So now that I've cut it, the first thing I need to do is fold up this raw edge 1/2 inch. So I have pressed this hem down and pinned it. Next, I have to flip it, fold it so this is where the fold is. So all the way up. Okay, so I have folded everything up and checked the side seams to make sure everything does line up, and it does. So now I'm going to stitch along here on both legs. So I can't tell if you can see what's going on here, but this is starting to pucker underneath. So I had to stop sewing just because it's going to gather. And what I'm gonna do to fix that is I'm just going to cut the inside here just a little so it can spread out and sew down flat. I just pinned it like this, and now I'm going to sew along the top. I have finished stitching this side, and this is what it looks like from the outside. And now what we're gonna do is fold it up so it covers this so you don't see it, to make our cuff. Okay, so as you can see, I kind of gave the leg some shape, so hopefully it's going to look cute on. It's either gonna look real cute or kind of trashy, so we shall see. And then the back, I kind of gave it a little bit like a booty lift. Just the way I folded the cuff is how I did this. So yeah, let's sew. So next, the last step is to iron this out, and then I will be stitching in the ditch here. So see this space here? I'm just gonna stitch right there on the outside, and as well as the inside seam. So this is the final result. They're not bad. They're a little bit balloony, but it's kind of cute. It gives like some nice shape. Hold on, let me just put on like a white t-shirt or something. Okay, you know what? It's pretty cute. I really like these shorts now. I will definitely wear them. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you to thrift with a different mindset and look for things that you can upcycle or recycle instead of just stuff you can wear off the rack. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you later. Bye!